next we'd like to take you through the Rumba, how to structure choreography in an interesting and fun way. So let's take first a simple movement, which we call cucaracha in Rumba, and we will create choreography with it. So let's imagine, let's say we have a cucaracha. We have 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So what is the step itself? Is we're going side, 2 and 3, replacing, collecting the leg, changing the body weight, 4, 1. Going other side, 2 and 3 and collect leg, 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So the best way for the best choreography for us, if we talk about the solo routine, it's to take a basic figure and start playing with it. So in Rumba, how we can play with it? So the first of all, we can play with direction. So if cucaracha originally going side to side, so now here, me and Kristina will decide that this left leg will not go side anymore. We're gonna go forward with it and still dancing cucaracha. 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So what's good about this is because I still kept the feeling and the character of this figure and the dance. I just changed direction only for this leg, so it looks more interesting, more fun to dance, and it looks like already slightly different. So there is more variety right now. So let's do it again. 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and forward. 2 and 3 and forward. Now, you see, we can do cucaracha side. So now you just saw we can do also cucaracha forward on either leg, and technique of it will not change. Or we can go cucaracha backward, boom, boom, but technique of it will not change. Or we can go diagonal forward, or we can go diagonal backward. So technique of it will not change, but the look is slightly different. So let's combine again. We have a cucaracha side, 2 and 3, 4. Now we're going forward, 2 and 3, 4, 1. So now what's next we can add? We can add, which is very something what is very character for Rumba, change of levels. So here, instead of going now side, we will go a little bit down and just roll our hip without transferring weight. It's still the same cucaracha movement, but we're not gonna completely transfer it. We're gonna go down, just play with our hips. And slow, and exactly the same on the front. Cucaracha, 4, 1. And quick, slow, and quick, slow. So we again kept the character of this figure.
Okay guys, after you log in and become member, dancewitholeg.com, go to video courses, click here. This is all the courses, new videos, programs, all video, more than 100, already 106 videos, technique, dance workouts, everything here. I recommend you programs. When you click on programs. It's 30-minute program where you do exercises, then drills, then choreography, so give you different tricks. So this is amazing program, welcome to use.